Hey everybody, Brett here with Ackland. This is going to be really fast. I want to do a quick comparison between the Ackland media frame and this competitor's frame. There's a couple competitors out there. I'm going to say competitors. There are some very clear differences between ours and the others. One of them is, check this out. Okay, these are what the corner plates look like, and this is, I don't know what, a rub rail of some kind, and up there's another one. And my point is, it's bulky, it's industrial looking. It doesn't really lend itself to a neat, sleek, clean appearance like ours does. So I wanted you to see that. And then the other thing's the flutter factor. Watch this. Okay, this has already been stretched tight around the perimeter using an expensive special tool, heavy duty vinyl, but watch. You see that? Hey, look at this truck over here. Here's another one. See that? Call that the flutter factor. You don't want movement, you don't want flickering. Let me show you ours. Now you look at ours, it's not bulky, you don't have all this extra stuff, you don't have these big ugly corner plates, you just have a 3-inch nice picture frame. And flutter factor, check this out. I don't see any flickering, I don't see any fluttering. That's how you want it. Thanks for watching.